I'm Subramanya Vyas, lecturer in biology, Alpha Pre-University College, Nagar, Mysore district speaking. In this class of mine, diagrams made easy to write. I explain you how to write the diagram of typical Anatropous ovule easily. And all of you know that you have to write the diagram in the way how it is given in your textbook. So here you see there is a diagram of Anatropous ovule. Okay? And in this class, as you all know, I do not have a orientation to explain the structural features of any diagram. Here it is just to make you know how to write the diagram easily. So to write this diagram, you write a egg-like structure. Okay, I'll wipe it off. Something is there already written over the screen. Okay, I'll write egg-like structure at the bottom of the page of the screen like this. Okay, so now I write a S-shaped line to connect the bottom like this. Okay, now I will write another one vowel structure at the middle point of the egg like this. Okay, so now I mark this point, the upper point of the egg. It's the point where the micropyle is present. And then I draw a line covering upper part of the inner vowel structure like this. Okay, and then on either side of the point here which I have marked, I will write like this. Okay, you need not draw the line directly, or just you can put dots and then you can draw the line. In the same way, here I draw dotted lines. You see, okay, we say chuki rangoli, like that, right? Now you write another one line like this, right? So now the structure of typical Anatropous ovule is vova. Now you take a 2B pencil and begin to darken the diagram what you have written. Okay, and you can turn your page to your convenience. I have begun darkening, right? Now darkening by darker pencil like a 2B or 4B pencil is over. Now I am going to wipe out these extra lines like this. Okay, right. Now if you have erased any line more than required, you can sort it out. Okay, now structure of typical Anatropous ovule is there with us. I'm going to label the parts. This is a funicle, sorry, Orientation has changed. So this is funicle. It's a stalk of ovule. This is micropyle. Micropyle. This is a micropylar pole. Micropylar pole of ovule, and ovule has protective layers, coverings, which we call as integuments. This is outer integument. This is outer integument, and this one is inner integument. Okay, this is chalazal end. Chalazal end, and this point, you carefully note this point. It's a point where the outer is the point where the body of the ovule fuses with the funicle. We call this as hilum. Okay, all the labelings are woven. Now I shall name the diagram. So name of the diagram is, you see here, diagrammatic view of typical Anatropous ovule. Okay, now just you write this. A typical Anatropous ovule. Okay students, thank you all for listening to me and watching my video. I'll come back in my next class. Diagram made easy to write with the diagram of the same chapter, reproduction in angiosperms. Thank you.